All right, so what did you think about the vehicle?
I wouldn't have spent the money on it. We have a new program that GM came out with that it gives the relative compression of the engine after seeing which direction it was going to go.
Did you tell somebody that?
Yes, I did.
Who'd you tell?
Hand it off to the next person.
Who was that in this case?
I guess Megan would be, but it would have had to have gone to get further, I guess, money or time to look at the vehicle.
Slow down.
Because of the direction we were going.
Slow down. You told her that you wouldn't spend the money on it. True or false?
True.
Did you ever convey that, Ms. Morris, to Mr. Hicks?
No,
Why not?
I can't tell someone whether or not they should get their vehicle fixed. I can only present them with what was wrong with the vehicle.
So I want to just make sure I understand this. I don't want to put words in anybody's mouth. If a mechanic tells you or tells anybody at Bates that they wouldn't spend the money to have the vehicle repaired, given the nature or issues with the vehicle, Bates Chevrolet takes the position that that's not their decision to make. It's not their position to tell somebody that you shouldn't get the vehicle repaired based on the mechanic's opinion. Is that, I just want to know if that's true.
I just told them that it had to be further diagnosed. It had to go to a different technician.
All right. Did you guys file a counterclaim like I told you?
Yes, we did, sir.
What'd you have to do with this?
I put the engine in the vehicle, sir. I'm the heavy tech,
Uh-huh.
and Megan brought the RO to me. I need a price on the engine.
Did you ever talk to Mr. Lawson about this?
Mr. Lawson?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And did he reiterate to you that he wouldn't spend the money on it?
We both agreed that it wasn't a good vehicle to put that much money in.
Did you tell that to Mr. Hicks?
I never talked to Mr. Hicks, sir.
Did anybody here that works for Bates tell Mr. Hicks that they wouldn't put the money into the vehicle? Did you tell him that?
No.
Okay, so I haven't heard from anybody. So nobody told Mr. Hicks that. I just want to be clear.
Not that I'm aware of.
And do you agree with that, Ms. Waring?
I was not present, sir. I can't
I
comment.
know. No, this is bad. This is bad.
Your Honor, may I speak?
I don't care who speaks. You guys are in deep trouble right now.
Well, Your Honor, a lot of people are fixing older vehicles with the way the economy is, and they are investing a lot of money in older vehicles.
That's fine.
It's not.
He could have decided he was going to put $200,000 into the case because it was sentimental. I don't know what happened. Maybe he kissed a girl in there the first time. I don't know what happened, but all I can tell you is this. Bates owes an obligation, as does any other company, to advise people when they shouldn't go forward trying to repair something that's not repairable. So here's how I see it right now. He gave you $4,000. You want how much more from him?
The dollar amount.
$4,400, sir.
They want another, you want another $4,400, and you're still telling me the vehicle isn't drivable. Does anybody dispute here? This kind of really gets me here. Does anybody dispute that a company, in this case, a dealership, owes an obligation when their mechanics look at the vehicle and they think it's not repairable to at least notify the customer of that? Anybody think that's not what should be done over here? If it is, I want you to tell me. Do you think that's not what should be done?
So, Your Honor, he didn't say it wasn't repairable. He said he wouldn't put money into it.
Come on,
And that's his personal.
come on. He's the mechanic.
I know that.
Well, he's the guy who should know. If he doesn't know, who does know? This is what people get hired for. Doctors wouldn't tell us to go through with the surgery if they thought it was going to be worse. Lawyers wouldn't tell us to take certain action if they thought it was going to be worse. Dentists wouldn't tell you to get a root canal if you didn't need one. This is bad. Anything else?
You're on a note for your handling it just fine.
You're a smart man. My father told me when I graduated law school, he said, if you're winning, you might want to just keep your mouth closed. Do you guys have anything else over here?
I don't.
Ms. Morris? Mr. Bowens?
No, sir.
Mr. Lawson? This is not right. You go back and tell Bates or whoever's running that I said it's not right. I'm ordering this vehicle be returned to him, and I'm ordering that you pay judgment to him in the amount of $4,000 plus its cost of $82, and I'm also going to order there be no cause of action on the counterclaim. You can't lure people in. That's the way I feel this was done. I want you to get him a check today. Can you get a check today?
Yes, sir.
Can you return the vehicle to him today? Any reason you can't? Thank you. Judgment for plaintiff. No cause of in the counterclaim.